Namaskar. I am myself Dr. Ramesh Chand Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today's our topic is impotence and sterility. Definition of impotence. Impotence is the inability of a person to perform sexual intercourse. Impotency has been described in Halsbury Law of England to be such a stage of mental or physical condition which make consummation of the marriage. The consummation is how to make a marriage or relationship complete by having sex. Impotency is defined as physical incapacity of accomplishing the sexual act. It is a term usually associated with male. It is the persistent inability to develop or maintain a penile erection sufficient to conclude coitus to ejaculation. Sterility is the inability of the male to beget children, and in the female, the inability to conceive children. A person can be sterile without being impotent, or both may coexist. Above two conditions are different from each other, but may coexist in the same person or may occur separately. An impotent individuals may not necessarily be sterile, nor a sterile individuals impotent. Frigidity. Frigidity is the inability to initiate or maintain the sexual arousal pattern in the female. Ejaculation, which occurs immediately before or immediately after penetration, is termed premature ejaculation. Sexual dysfunction. Sexual dysfunction is an impairment either in the desire for sexual gratification or in the ability to achieve it. Examination. The examination should be undertaken only when asked by the court or the police. Before examining a male alleged to be impotent, a complete history of the previous illness, especially with reference to nervous and mental condition, and his sexual history should be obtained. A complete medical examination, including central nervous system, should be carried out. The conditions of the testes, epididymis, cord, and penis should be noted and the private parts tested for sensation. The penis is supplied by nerve from the second, third, and fourth sacral segment through the pudendal nerve and plexus. The length of the penis is measured from mons to the tip of glans and circumference about middle of the shaft. When erect, the length is 15 centimeter. The penis varies greatly in size. The prostate and seminal vesicles are palpated per rectum. Pressure should be made on the vesicles and meter expressed is brought to the meatus by pressing the finger along the urethra and examined for spermatozoa. In case of sterility in the male, examination of the seminal fluid is essential. Infertility. Infertility is inability to conceive after 1 year of conjugal life without use of contraceptive methods. The term primary infertility is applied to the couple who has never achieved a pregnancy, and secondary infertility implies that at least one previous conception has taken place. The conditions of a person being unable to bear children, especially through natural means. Origin of problem: 35% female and also 35% male. 20% both partners, 10% unexplained. Etiology of male infertility: multifactorial influence, varicocele 35%, idiopathic 25%, infection and injury genitourinary tract is 10%, genetically and systemic disease 10%, endocrine 1 is to 5%, immunologic 1 is to 5%, obstruction 1 is to 5%, developmental 1 is to 5%, and the lifestyle in smoking, diet, heat is unknown. In the etiological classification, one is the disorder of spermatogenesis, one hormonal, hypothalamic disorder, pituitary secretion of follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormone. Hyperprolactinemia causing impotence or diminished libido. It is the hyperprolactinemia is the state characterized by high levels of hormones called prolactin in the blood. Prolactin is produced by the pituitary gland and play a vital role in the development of breasts during pregnancy. B is the primary testicular disorders. Idiopathic varicocele, chromosomal defects, it means Klinefelter syndrome and cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism, it's a condition in which one or both of the testes falls to descends from the abdomen into the scrotum. Drugs, radiation, orchitis, traumatic mumps, TB, gonorrhea, chronic illness, immunological disorders. Second is duct obstruction, congenital abscess, inflammatory block, surgical trauma. Third is the accessory gland disorders, prostatitis, vasculitis, congenital absence of vas in cystic fibrosis. Fourth is disorder of sperm and vesicular fluid, sperm antibodies and low fructose in seminal plasma, sperm acrosome defect, zona pellucida binding defect, zona penetration defect, oocyte fusion defect. Fifth is sexual dysfunctions, low frequency coitus like wrong times selected, impotence, hypospadias, premature ejaculation, retrograde ejaculation. Six is psychological factors and environmental factors like smoking, alcohol consumption, tobacco chewing, diabetes. Drugs in antihypertensive, antipsychotic, sex, steroid, chemotherapy, beta blockers, spironolactone, estrogen. Female infertility etiology, unexplained 10%, cervical mucus 2 to 3%, endometrials or uterine 2 to 3%, pelvic and peritoneal 5 to 10%, tubal 30 to 50%, developmental and genetic is 40%. Other etiologies: pelvic inflammatory disease, cervix conizations, cautery, smoking, intrauterine devices, endometriosis, genetic. Etiologies: dyspareunia and vaginal causes, congenital defect in the genital tract, infection in the lower genital tract, cervical factors, uterine causes, tubal factors, ovaries, peritoneal causes, chronic ill health, especially thyroid dysfunction. The most important factor in the evaluation of the infertile couples is history. History general. Both couples should be present. Age, previous pregnancies by each partner, duration of time without pregnancy, sexual history, frequency and timing of intercourse, use of lubricants, impotence, dyspareunia, contraceptive history, and male infertility evaluation in history, questionnaire, physical examination, standard semen analysis, hormonal evaluation, genetic counseling and evaluation, imaging studies, history of male, history of pelvic infection, radiation, toxic exposures include drugs, mumps, testicular surgery and injury, excessive heat exposures, spermicidal. In the physical exams in the male, size of testicles, testicular descent, varicocele, outflow abnormalities, hypospadiasis, etc. Male factors in semen analysis collected after 3 days of abstinence. Evaluate within 1 hour of ejaculation. If abnormal parameters repeat twice 2 weeks apart. Semen analysis WHO guidelines in fresh sample will be taken lab in 30 minutes. Most sperm in initial ejaculate. Male should be abstinent for 48 to 72 hours. In the parameters according to WHO, volume 1 to 5, 1.5 to 5 ml, sperm concentrate more than 20 million per milliliter, sperm motility is more than 50%, sperm morphology more than 30%, normal forms, leukocyte densities less than 1 million per milliliter, need at least 2 assessment parts. Semen analysis, abnormal semen result, azoospermia, oligospermia, actinospermia, and teratospermia. Normozoospermia in normal ejaculate and sperm concentrate is the more than 20 by 10 to power 6 per milliliter. Asthenozoospermia is more than 50% spermatozoa with forward progression. Teratozoospermia in more than 30% spermatozoa with normal morphology. Azoospermia is no spermatozoa in the ejaculate. Aspermia means no ejaculate. hormonal and others in GnRH. Rule out genetic disease. FSH, LH, TSH, and prolactin level is the chromosomal study and the immunological study. Imaging studies in transseptal ultrasound, truss, vasography, testis, biopsy, transrectal ultrasound in ejaculatory duct stones. You can see it in this image. Next is transrectal ultrasound is seminal vesicle dilations, and we can see in this image. Vasography indications: assessment of vessel obstructions or ejaculatory duct obstructions. An inguinal vessel obstruction should be suspected in an agiospermic patient with normal spermatogenesis and a history of prior inguinal or scrotal surgery. In the testis biopsy indications, distinguishing between obstructions of testicular failure, identification of mature sperm for ICSI. Thank you.